Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm telling you my favorite recipe. It is in white sauce pasta. It is not the Italian one that you usually eat. It is sort of a twist on it. So yeah, I have already added 2 cups of pasta on the boil and with 3 cups of water. It's the proportion that you should add. And now we're going to turn on the sauce, which is the main part. So here's the pan. So now we're gonna start with the sauce. First of all, I'm using a 1-inch pan over here. Sorry if you get a lot of noise from the induction. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients. I have got some cheese over here. It's grated and it's processed. You can use mozzarella. I'm using milk. You can use the much you like. If you want a very creamy texture, you can use a lot of milk. If you want a very thick sauce, you can totally use less amounts of milk and more amounts of flour or maida. And I've got some salt. I'm actually not going to be using iodized salt. I'm going to be using this rock salt over here, which is also known as pink salt. I've got some pepper and obviously some oil. You can totally use butter. So now let's get started with the sauce. First, we are going to add a bit of oil, not much because we are adding milk into it. About 1 tablespoon. We're going to heat this up. We do not want to heat the oil that much or else it's going to start a reaction with the milk. Lower the temperature to 500 and add in the milk. I'm using half a cup of milk, because you never know what amount of milk you need. So I added almost 3/4 of the milk. 1/4 is still left. Now I've got this. It is a paddle. Just a second. And I'm going to be using the whisk for the sauce over here. Stir continuously so that the milk does not get burned or the oil does incorporate really nice with the milk. Now I'm just going to go in 1 second. I'm just going to go add some salt and some oil into the pasta. Now I am done with doing that part. Now I'm just going to show you guys that the milk actually has incorporated the oil inside it. You can barely see the oil in it. Okay, so now we are going to add in the cheese and start using the whisk, because you do not want to not whisk, or you have to continuously whisk. Make sure it's on the lowest. I'm doing it at 120 and just continuously whisk. Do not stop. I'm going to add some more milk. और नहीं, दूध लेके आ जाओ उसमें दूध ले आओ और फिर से ले आओ. So I'm just going to ask my friend here to get me some milk. And now I'm going to add all of the cheese. Delicious. Obviously, everybody is a fan of cheese. We're going to stir continuously. We're not going to stop. Now I am here telling you the recipe for a very creamy texture. And if you guys like this recipe, please tell me through my personal WhatsApp, so that I'm going to tell you more recipes like a blush sauce pasta. It's the most amazing pasta in this world. I love blush sauce. Now I'm just going to incorporate the milk at 500. Now if you must be guessing what numbers am I speaking, 120 and 500, these are actually the temperatures that we have in the induction. I am having the Havells one, the Havells cookpit. It's really nice. Now I'm going so now you have to mix it well until the cheese melts, and I'm going to catch up with you guys after this cheese melts. So now we have got the ready. It's just to a boil. Pasta over there. Now I'm going to actually show you a trick about how to understand the pasta is boiled or not. So I have got the pasta boiling. I've already added the salt and oil. I'm going to take this pasta. I've got a bit of pasta over here on my. Now we're just going to try to press it. If it presses and it's soft, it means that it's cooked. If it does not press like this one, it means it's not cooked. I'm going to throw it back in and let it. This time I've got a person helping me. Yeah. So the milk is well incorporated. I'm just going to shift this aside. And now we are going to start adding the seasonings. First of all, rock salt. I do not prefer adding iodized salt actually. I do not prefer using iodized salt anywhere. So now, yes, I eyeball every single ingredient that I add, and I am actually going to be telling you all of the proportions after this as a slide. I'm going to be writing all of the proportions down. Now, for instance, I'm adding chutki. So I'm gonna add. It's actually upon you how much you want to add it. But yes, नहीं अभी सही है देखा है. Now actually adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper because I really like my pasta to be very peppery. I mean pepper, not peppery. Now, now I'm going to just add some. Now we're going to add some of this flour maida into it, and I'm going to tell you the proportion for it because it's quite tough. Now, so first I'm going to tell you, I'm going to use these spoons according to 3 times this as the salt and 1.5 times this for the pepper. It's got a great amount. And I'm going to start adding the flour. Now you have to stir constantly while adding the flour. So I'm going to have a helper here adding the flour. इसको डालते रहना इसमें, मैं चलाती रहूँगी, ठीक है? If you do not have a helper here, you can just simply do it by yourself. 1 minute. Now, the point when you are adding the flour, make sure that you have enough milk. Stir continuously, no lumps should be there. If you want, you can also use corn flour. This is the tough part. Now, after adding 3 tablespoons, we are going to mix it well to see if we have no lumps. I'm just going to hang it. You can totally see there are no lumps. उसको निकाल करके चम्मच से दबा के देखो. निकाल करके दबा के चम्मच से देखो. अनुष्का दबा. Now I'm going to add another 3 tablespoons of flour in here. उससे 3 बार डालो. पहले 2 बार डालो. And make sure that the heat is low, not even medium, low. पहले 2 बार डालो. Now after adding 2 tablespoons, check if it's getting thick. Make sure no lumps. There should be no lumps. Okay. The pasta is ready, but we are not ready to add the sauce. Adding in more milk for the creamier taste. The more milk in it, the better taste it is. But yet, you must have the right amount of cheese. Anushka? So, now I'm going to add more flour. with heat. Now adding in one, I'm going to now show you how well incorporate you should do it. Now, as it adds no lumps. I prefer using a whisk because it does not create any sort of lumps. I'm gonna add one more spoon. Oh yeah, that is the perfect sauce for 2 cups of yummy bambino pasta. Okay. I'm going to incorporate it well and I'm going to meet you guys after. Okay, so now the sauce is absolutely perfect. And now I'm going to add my special ingredient. I'll be back in a minute. Here you go, my special ingredient. It's an only thyme. It is the best to add in a white sauce pasta. I'm going to add the TBSP, 1 tablespoon of thyme, and then 2 tablespoons. So now the sauce is ready, perfect. I'm just gonna try it. Now we are gonna add the pasta. I've boiled it, I've strained it. Now we're gonna start using the paddle. Cover this creamy, delicious pasta. Now, many of you guys do not like the sauce, the extra sauce with the pasta, but I prefer having a bit of sauce just fine. It's amazing. Oh yeah, amazing. I'm just gonna give you guys a glance. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's pretty. I hope you guys are gonna try it because I'm working really hard on making this video. So now to serve it, I'm first going to add it in the casserole and then I'm going to show you the plating. Okay. So now I have topped it with thyme in this cute little casserole and I'm going to show you how to do the plate. So now I'm taking this deep dish plate, having a very deep dish. Oh yeah, you can see me, I can see me. So now we're going to plate it. I've got the same paddle I'm using. Anyways, place it up. I'm going to start adding the pasta into the plate, no marks at the side. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I am in love with the pasta. I'm a pasta holic. Oh yeah. Okay, so here's the pasta all ready. Okay, so now I'm going to top it again with thyme. I love thyme. I'm a thyme addict. I love thyme. I think I'm good. Ta-da! This is it. The epic pasta. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want more, just tell me on WhatsApp. I'm going to just make more videos like this. So yeah, bye.